guys, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल इंशाल्लाह। मैंने अभी व्लॉग एंड किया और दूसरा व्लॉग मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ। एक्चुअली ना मेरे को अभी करना है कुछ वीडियोस की प्री रिकॉर्डिंग, क्योंकि लास्ट वीक के जैसे मेरे पास कोई कंटेंट नहीं रहेगा एंड आई नीड टू मेक a lot of content so that my channel lives and it doesn't die. तो इसीलिए I am planning to do some videos back to back and देखती हूँ कि क्या करती हूँ. I have no idea, बस फ़ोन उठाया और मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया है. वैसे मुझे अब सबसे पूछना था कि आप लोगों को मेरे मेकअप वीडियोस तो पसंद नहीं आते हैं. आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैक्शन इन माई ट्रैवल वीडियोज. एज सच मैं ट्रैवल ज़्यादा नहीं कर रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड. We've all had a very bad COVID scare, as you guys already know about the situation that happened in the past with my grandparents. तो उसके बाद से थोड़ा सा restricted हूँ in terms of travel. But even if I'm traveling, I'm extremely careful because I'm taking my parents. And as it is, I am immunocompromised and I have to be double careful as well, because if I get it, there are more chances that I will spread it to others. So I am also being extremely careful with it. Although the situation right now is like all sorted, like people are not even giving a damn, but we have to be careful so that things don't go back from better to worse again. तो या दैट्स द रीज़न आज हम लोग ना एक्चुअली प्लान कर रहे थे इनिशियली टू गो टू द पैलेस साइड, बट ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा थी एंड I literally didn't want dad to drive in that bad of a traffic. And मेरे जो husband है has gone to his mom's place and I'm here at my mother's place. So that's why I didn't want him to take the risk, because यहाँ पे drivers and riders, like the bike riders and the what to say moped riders, they drive really badly. So it's really risky कि यहाँ से भी घुस रहे हैं वहाँ से भी घुस रहे हैं, and it is really risky. And plus the crowd was too much, and I knew if the crowd in the city itself is too much, then Mysore Palace के पास तो और ज़्यादा crowd होगा. तो I was a little bit reluctant. फिर last minute में we decided कि we'll go to विशाल मार्ट. तो आप लोगों ने हॉल वगैरह तो देख ही लिया होगा, या फिर अगर मैं अलग से बना रही हूँ तो फिर इस क्लिप के बाद ऐड कर दूंगी. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई विल डू, बट आई फील एन इंस्टेंट दैट आई शुड मेक अ सेपरेट व्लॉग, क्योंकि अगर मैं 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा भी वीडियो डालती हूँ तो आप लोग देखते ही नहीं हो. तो फिर सेंस ही नहीं बनता है कि मैं 20 मिनट का व्लॉग डालूँ जहाँ पे आप लोग देखें ही ना. तो अगर मैं इसमें डालती हूँ तो फिर इस क्लिप के बाद डाल दूंगी ताकि आप लोग देख लो. तो बेसिकली हम जब विशाल मार्ट गए तो फिर हम लोगों को कपड़े खरीदने के इंटेंशन से नहीं गए, बट फिर भी हम देख रहे थे कि मुझे तो हमेशा ज़रूरत ही रहती है, क्यों आई नीड टू व्लॉग एंड एवरीथिंग. तो आई नीड क्लोथ्स एज इट इज़. सो या एंड आई एम अ प्लस साइज पर्सन, और मेरे हार्मोनल फ्लक्चुएशंस के वजह से जो अभी मेरे को ड्रेस होता है फिर नेक्स्ट महीना हो ना हो पता नहीं, कभी वेट लूज हो जाता है. वेट लूज तो बहुत कम ही होता है, वेट गेन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. तो फिर वेट गेन से ज़्यादा स्वेलिंग होता है. तो इसलिए आई एम ऑलवेज ऑन द हंट फॉर क्लोथ्स, एंड इफ आई एम गेटिंग इट इन अ वेरी लाइक बजट फ्रेंडली डील, व्हाई नॉट, बिकॉज उनको चाहिए भी ना अभी रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए एंड ऑल दैट. तो या वी वेंट देयर, बट द थिंग इज कि प्लस साइज के लिए दूर दूर तक भी कुछ नहीं है.
2000 years later.
तो इसमें बेसिकली मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही, मैं बस अनरेडी हो रही हूँ. जो अभी मैं बाहर गई थी तो बस उसी का मेकअप उतार रही हूँ. एंड आई वांटेड टू शेयर अ रिव्यू ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट एज वेल. तो आई थॉट लगे हाथ दो काम कर लेते हैं, तो इसीलिए आई थॉट आई मेक अ वीडियो. या आई हैव अ बॉटल, डोंट यूज प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स, एंड I just got it in one of the shops. I mean, whatever. I got it in one of the restaurants. So drink a lot of water, guys. I get so many comments, so many questions regarding what to do about my skin not behaving, my under eyes are dark, whatever. See, the under eyes The reason why you have dark circles is not only because of lack of sleep, it is also because of not eating the right food, also not drinking a lot of water. And I am giving you this speech when I have the biggest and the most panda eyes ever. But yes, you can always tell people what you are doing wrong, right? So what I'm doing wrong is I don't eat proper food, I don't drink a lot of water, and I don't sleep well. So that is why I have panda eyes. So if you want to avoid, drink lots of water, sleep well, and eat the right food. So yes, that's the only way your blackheads are gonna go. And if you have hormonal issues, you're gonna have to live with it. So deal with it. And I only use under eye creams because I need hydration because it gets dry, and that's the only reason. And I know my dark circles are not gonna go. So that there it is. I've cleared it out for you. So let me just drink water before I just throw it on myself because I'm very clumsy that way. मैं बैठे बैठे भी गिरा देती हूँ कुछ भी. तो let me just drink water first. एक्चुअली मुझे बाल बांधने चाहिए बट आज मेरे बाल बहुत बिहेव कर रहे हैं तो मैं उनको रहने देती हूँ. तो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, मैं कुछ बोलना चाह रही थी अबाउट माई हेयर. दे आर dry as BBBBB, and I think I need to start using clarifying shampoos yet again because they are not getting tamed. I have a very very oily scalp, so अगर मैं सुबह नहाती हूँ within 3-4 hours my scalp becomes oily. I am not able to adjust to any shampoo that is out there in the market. I do want to try some brands, but I know they're very nourishing and I don't want nourishment in my scalp because I want the build up to be removed. So I am going to be using clarifying shampoos just like I did in the past. In the past, I used the L'Oreal one. There's one L'Oreal one which is really good, and then there is Moroccan oil one. So I'm going to be going back to those things right now because मेरी scalp की band बजी है and I might need to go for a good spa treatment to treat these roots. Otherwise, I will have to chop them off, and I don't want to chop them off because I want to grow hair, you guys. I like to grow hair, although I don't have much hair on my head. But हजार ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे जान निकले, इतने अरमान हैं फिर भी कम. I don't know, I butchered it. So let me just remove my lens first and then catch up with you guys. ओके जब मुझे कुछ चाहिए होता है मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है, तो अभी मैं सिर्फ अनरेडी विथ मी करूँगी विथ वॉट एवर हाउ एवर इट इज़. तो इफ़ यू रिमेंबर जब मैंने फैब बैग लिया था, आई परचेज दिस वन. I didn't purchase, I got it in the bag. Okay, so basically what this is this, it's a product from Plum. It's their Plum Illuminescence, not luminescence, luminance, Illuminance cleansing balm. So this is good for sensitive skin, oily skin, any types of skin, but especially good for sensitive skin. So I received this product and I thought maybe 1 या 2 यूज़ में ख़त्म हो जाएगा, but lo and behold मैंने इसको अच्छा खासा 15-20 दिन यूज़ करा है. जब भी मैंने मेकअप किया I've used it, and अभी भी बहुत प्रोडक्ट बचा है. ऑब्वियसली पैन हिट कर गया है, तो इससे पहले कि ये ख़त्म हो जाए मुझे इसका रिव्यू करना था. So what I found about this is that it is very very nourishing, and I like this more than I like the micellar water, only because micellar water में थोड़ा सा रब करना पड़ता है. इसमें रब करने की सिचुएशन नहीं है. All you have to do is basically take some of the quantity in your hands like this, okay, and then rub it and gently massage it on your skin. So even if you have waterproof makeup, it just comes out so beautifully. Although there is slightly a little bit of texture to it, but not bad, not like it will abrase your skin kind of a texture, but it's a very good product. that I feel doesn't make my skin look dehydrated whatsoever, and gently cleanses my makeup. As you can see, all of my makeup is coming off very easily, and I have to just gently massage it. Even my waterproof mascara is coming off, although this Mars one takes forever to just come off, but it's coming off easily. And I think you can visibly see that my makeup is coming off. So what I would like to do is I will go ahead and massage this for a good 1-2 minutes, and then I normally am not using like cotton pads these days, because do have some sort of plastic to them. They are not pure cotton, so they kind of create an environmental waste, which we have to try and avoid as much as we can. I know it's unavoidable in so many circumstances, but whatever step we can take, वी हैव टू. सो या, तो मैंने इसको अच्छे से मसाज कर लिया है 1-2 मिनट के लिए, एंड सारा निकाल दिया है. अब मैं क्या करती हूँ, आई जस्ट शो यू. सो आई हैव दीज cleansing pads from Earth Rhythm, and they come in a set of 2 as well, and you can get individual too. These are really really good. Every time you use them, you can put them in a dryer along with your clothes or whatever, and they get washed, and when they are dry you can reuse them. So that's how easy it is. So what I do is, I use it this side first, then I use it this side, then after that I put it for wash. So for 2 times use, this is really good, and it takes off all your makeup and junk from cleansing and leaves your skin really clear. So I use this once a lot. I have just one of these, and I'm planning to pick few more of these. I don't remember the prices of these. I will list the image over here. Like, they have like a soft towel kind of a texture. It is very difficult to describe. Yeah, they are from the brand Earth Rhythm. As you guys know, I love this brand a lot. So this is the step 1 of my cleansing. So I double cleanse all the time. I use this product and I have really really loved it. I believe I'm going to be picking a full size of this. Like the results of how gently it cleanses my face without rubbing it too much. Like micellar water, I need to rub it a lot. Then I go in with a face wash. So since I have a very acne prone and sensitive skin, I use Salicylic DS. Initially, when I had too much of cystic acne on my face, I used to use it almost every day, and now that that has subsided, I use it almost 2 times a week, or 2 times a week, or maybe 3 times a week. Salicylic DS has salicylic acid, and it acts like an exfoliant, so I don't want to make my skin barrier very sensitive too, so I'm using only 2 times a week, and other times I'm using a very gentle cleanser on my face. So yeah, that's the thing. I'm just gonna use this and wash my face, and then apply my normal creams as usual. You know, I use the Nutriderm one, and alternate between niacinamide and bok choy oil. Then apply the Nutriderm on top of that, and then apply the under eye cream again that I got from the Fab bag itself. So that was a very good deal for me to purchase that bag. So yeah, that's the skin routine that I do.